Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. That's why we should tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google section, and just to log out from the Google account, we should click here to remove. To confirm your action by click to remove button, tap to OK and use one from the protect methods if you use them on your device. Now we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.